Hello everyone, welcome to this quick and very easy ExpressVPN review. Now this is going to be my honest review on ExpressVPN. I have been using ExpressVPN for posting on TikTok and doing stuff like that, mainly for business for some time already, for around a month or so. And basically, yeah, this is my review on ExpressVPN. So first of all, I really like that ExpressVPN offers a lot of platforms, so you can use a lot of platforms for your VPN, not just your Mac or Windows. You can also use it on your Linux, on your router, on your game console, on your Android, as well as on your iPhone and iPad, which is great. So this is one thing that not many VPNs have, but you can do, and you can use this with ExpressVPN. Now also one thing that they offer is they offer VPN for gaming as well, which is great if you're a gamer. Not just that, but their service is reliable. So whenever you want to go and connect your ExpressVPN maybe to a Netflix or maybe to other apps as well, it will work really great because it has a really great servers, and that is one thing that most VPNs don't have. So yeah, when it comes to the servers, they have servers in 94 countries, as you can see right here. As you can see right here, Americas, they have a bunch of different servers right here. Europe, a bunch of different servers. So they're not just a VPN company, they're a company with real servers. And basically this means that your VPN becomes way stronger, right? So also what they offer is, obviously they have sites and services. They also have that, as well as a the best VPN for streaming, social, and more. So if you want to stream maybe, or if you want to watch without any issues at all, watch your favorite TV shows and series, then this is the VPN for you. They also have a 30-day money back guarantee, which is great for those of you who want to just try it out. Not just that, but they do have 3-month free plan as well. As you can see, this is what ExpressVPN is compatible with. So I really liked, I've been using it on Instagram and on Twitter lately, and on Spotify, and it's working really well. Not any issues at all, so no issues at all. With other VPNs there were some issues, but as you can see, this is where you can basically go and watch most of these international streaming platforms. Also, not just that, but they are #1 trusted leader in the VPN space, and what they offer is really low compared to what you get. So if you go here, you get ExpressVPN. As you can see, you can get it for $6.67, 12 months plus 3 months free. So these are like 15 months. And you also get a 30-day money back guarantee. So literally no risk at all. Honestly, I would really recommend ExpressVPN for anyone that wants to go and that wants to try it out. The best VPN out there, cheapest VPN for the things that you get. And it's one of the best probably VPNs out there in terms of whether you want to go and stream or whether you want to use it for your business. This is the most reliable VPN you can get. So if you have any questions or comments around this, comment down below and I'll answer them based on my personal experience with ExpressVPN. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.